Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Send WhatsApp Message to AI Companies Facebook Leads. So I'm running an AI company, and to promote my company I'm running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger in action. So for trigger, we are going to use Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, you are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to all your Facebook leads for your AI company. So I'm running an AI company named AI Artistry, and to promote my company I'm running lead ads, and I wish that as soon as I receive a new lead ad, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead. For this we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this integration we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So as you can see that this is the landing page of Pabbly, and we have opened it by searching pabbly.com/connect. So as soon as I open it, over here are two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. And then we are going to click on access now. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save my workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp automation. And I want to name my workflow as send WhatsApp message to AI companies Facebook lead. And now we are going to click on create. And now it is opening my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command of our trigger. So we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. And then the trigger event as new lead instant. I am selecting new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted, instantly Pabbly should capture the response and trigger the workflow. And now we are going to click on connect. And it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is AI Artistry. So I'll select AI Artistry over here. And then for the lead gen forms, I'm going to select lead gen form because I want only the leads of this particular form should be captured by Pabbly and send a WhatsApp message. If you want to do this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms or any another desired form. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting for a webhook response. So we are going to generate a response for Pabbly. We'll open a new tab. Search for Meta for Developers. Open Meta for Developers. And now we are going to go on More and then Tools. And then we are going to select Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. And now it is asking me the page and the form. So for page, we are going to select AI Artistry. And for the lead gen form, I am selecting lead gen form only. If you want to learn how to create a new lead gen form, you can check out our YouTube channel. And then I'm going to click on Preview Form. And now it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details. And yes, you can see that I have filled in the dummy details. And now I'm going to click on next and then submit. And you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our lead has been sent to our workflow. So we'll open our workflow. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the lead. Here's the dummy name that we entered, the dummy email and the dummy phone number. This means that our trigger step is successful, and now we'll move on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. And for our action event, we are going to select Send Template Message. And then we are going to click on Connect. And again, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on Select Existing Connection and then Save. But I'm going to click on Add a New Connection, and then it is asking me the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp Business Account ID. For this, I'm going to open my Meta for Developers. And over here, you can see that I've created my API setup already. If you want to learn how to create your API setup, you can check out our YouTube channel. And now, over here, you can see the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp Business Account ID. So we are going to copy all these and paste it in my workflow. So I'll first copy the temporary access token. As you can see, this token will expire in 23 hours. So if you want to create a permanent access token, again, you can check out our YouTube channel. So I'll just copy all these details and paste it in my workflow. After pasting all the details, I'm going to click on Save. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name. So for this, we'll again open Meta for Developers. And over here, you can see it is saying to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click here. And now it is opening all the message templates that I have already created. So I'm going to select one from these only. If you want to create a new message template, you can click on Create Template over here. But I'm going to select this templated message, which is Facebook Leads message. So I'll search for Facebook Leads message over here. I'll select Facebook Leads message. And now you can see that as soon as I changed the template name, Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. This means that we don't have to change this. We'll move on to the recipient mobile number. So I'll map the recipient mobile number over here. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step, and as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. We are mapping these details because we want these details to be dynamic and to change with every new lead. So as soon as I'll map something over here, it will change with every new lead. So I'll just map the phone number over here. I'll select the phone number, and yes, you can see that we have successfully mapped our phone number. And then we are going to map our body field 1. So to let you know what this body field 1 means, I'll show you my template. So I'll open WhatsApp Manager. And yes, you can see that this is my template, and over here you can see 1 in curly brackets. This 1 is in curly brackets because I want that this 1 should be replaced with the name of my lead every time a new lead is received. So that's why over here this 1 is in curly brackets. This means that 1 is dynamic over here. So we'll just map the name of our lead in body field 1. So we'll select the name of our lead as dummy user, so that all of my leads receive a more personalized message. So before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we'll just replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. And yes, I have changed the dummy phone number with my original phone number, and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, you can see message status accepted. This means that we have received a positive response and our WhatsApp message has been sent to our lead. So we'll just open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received a message with hello dummy user and the same message that I showed you in my template. This means that our automation is successful. We'll just try the automation and the workflow once again. And this time I am going to give you a real-time example. So I'll open lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page. Otherwise, you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. So again, we are going to select our page as AI Artistry. And then our form as lead gen form. And we are going to click on preview form. And again, we are going to fill in the dummy details. And yes, you can see that we have filled in the dummy details. And now I'm going to click on next. and then submit. And yes, you can see that again it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our leads to Pabbly's workflow. Pabbly then sent the automated WhatsApp message to our lead. So this time we'll directly open our WhatsApp and check that if we have received the message or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. We'll directly go to our WhatsApp. So we'll go to our WhatsApp. And yes, you can see that we have received a new message with the new name that we entered, which is test user. This means that our automation and our workflow is also successful. So we'll just summarize the workflow once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. We selected the page and the leads in form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a dummy webhook response for Pabbly to capture. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected Send Template Message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. We selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. We mapped the recipient mobile number and body field 1, that was the variable in our template. And again, we clicked on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, you can see the 2 responses that we have received. So if you have any query related to the workflow or the video, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these 2 applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.